Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to download and install Roblox application on your iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone and locate the App Store on your home screen and tap on it. Also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Now from the home page, tap the search icon at the bottom right and in the search box type in Roblox and search. From the search result, look for the Roblox application from Roblox Corporation and tap on the Get or the Cloud icon. If asked, authenticate the download using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. After the application is downloaded, tap on Open and there you have successfully downloaded Roblox right on your iPhone. You can now go ahead and sign in or create an account and follow through the prompts. You've successfully downloaded Roblox on your iPhone. Now start exploring millions of games and have fun enjoying your Roblox adventure. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.